I want to address why a will doesn't work as well as a pet trust to take care of your pets. If you die and you leave provisions in your will for your pet, first of all, it takes a few months to get an executor appointed, number one, and you need care for your pet right away. And second, let's say you leave $10,000 to the person who you've left your pets to. And that person, first of all, is under no obligation to accept your pet. And then, second, they might use the money a different way and not for your pet. And your pet is not just a dog, a cat, household pets. It's also farm animals and horses and things like that. So it's very broad. So the will, there's a delay and there's like insecurity about how the money's used. With a pet trust, not only if you die, but if you're incapacitated, that pet trust is right there. You've named a pet caretaker. You have a pet trustee who would pay the caregiver by reimbursing them for expenses or pay expenses directly for your pet's benefit. Usually, the pet trust ends on the death of your last surviving animal, and at that point, you direct where the funds go that are remaining. But I find that pet trust, there's no delay, it's simple, it's private, it's really smooth transition, and it takes care of your pet that you love, and it also has the pet caretaker being reimbursed for all of the expenses associated with taking care of your animals.